Would you like to be outside, work with others who love the outdoors, and worship God by stewarding His creation? Environmental science might be the right Cedarville major for you. Our students leave Cedarville prepared for graduate school and enjoy careers in fields like wildlife biology and conservation, environmental restoration, or soil and water management. The Environmental Science program gives you a chance to explore your interests and develop skills to address challenges like clean water, food security, biodiversity loss, climate change, and energy. Environmental science is diverse, and so are our students' interests. After you build up a knowledge base through our core courses, you'll have a chance to customize your program around your passion, whether it's agriculture, wildlife, or whole ecosystems. You'll learn all of this from a distinctly Christian perspective, learning to love God more by understanding His world better. Consider Cedarville's environmental science major if you're interested in caring for and stewarding God's world through a career in the sciences.